The way we live our lives has changed a lot over the last few years. And while we don't quite have the flying cars that 1980 sci-fi movies thought we would, one thing that has become a commonplace part of modern living is the drone. Of course, not all drones are made equal, and some of them are far wilder and much more impressive than the ones you usually see. So, settle down and get ready to enjoy our list of the 10 craziest drones. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing. Number 10, METAFLY. Most drones these days have a pretty standard form factor, the quad rotor. This design has overwhelmingly won out due to its efficiency and ease of use even for amateur operators. But what if there was a more exciting option? Bionic Bird is hoping to shake up the industry with its impressive new METAFLY drone. The METAFLY takes the industry standard and tips everything on its head with a unique and innovative design that takes cues from nature. It flies with its wings in the same way that real living animals do. Carbon fiber reinforced wings and specially designed shock-proof legs help to keep the METAFLY not only durable, but also lightweight enough to maintain flight. In fact, this incredible little drone weighs less than 10 grams, which is less than a AAA battery. Now, you might think the METAFLY can't really keep up with the big boys due to its uncommon design, but you'd be dead wrong there. It's capable of hitting top speeds of up to 12.5 miles per hour, which is incredibly impressive for a small, lightweight drone like this. Number 9, EHANG AAV. Most of the drones we see on a day-to-day basis are pretty small, maybe big enough to carry a camera to shoot some impressive aerial footage, but not much more. Our next entry is the EHANG AAV, an incredible autonomous aerial vehicle that's capable of carrying a person. The EHANG AAV mimics the design of its much smaller brethren with a multi-rotor design, but packs in a full-sized cockpit with plenty of room for an adventurous human pilot. As cities grow and ground space becomes even more valuable, the only viable solution is to look to the skies. With the ability to be used as an autonomous aerial taxi that can ferry passengers from helipad to helipad, the EHANG AAV offers up a practical solution to this growing problem. Of course, whenever we look at exploring new methods of transportation, we have to consider the potential environmental impact. And with this in mind, EHANG has designed the AAV to be fully electric. Number 8, Carbon Flyer Go. Most of us probably have childhood memories of carefully folding paper planes and watching them glide across our parents' gardens. And while these low-tech flyers may lack the punch of a fully spec'd-out quad rotor, they certainly have a specific charm to them. Now, the Carbon Flyer Go is attempting to bring back that childlike joy with this uniquely designed drone. The Carbon Flyer Go takes the same basic design that paper airplanes have been employing for longer than we can remember and adds some impressive modern technology into the mix. It's got 2 electrically powered rotors that not only keep the drone in the air, but also allow you to steer it using the free-to-download smartphone app. One of the biggest problems with toy planes is durability. And if you crash them, you're looking at an expensive repair job at best and a total write-off at worst. Because the Carbon Flyer Go is constructed of aerospace-grade carbon fiber, it's not only lightweight, but also incredibly durable, meaning that you can focus on having fun and not worrying about whether you're going to break it. Number 7, AIRPIX. By now, we all know that there are plenty of expensive high-end drones that create amazing aerial photographs and cinematic footage. But what about something smaller, cheaper, and designed to take selfies with just one touch? AIRPIX is a super lightweight mini drone that packs in some serious photography skills. AIRPIX isn't like most drones. For one thing, it's so small that you can fit it into the palm of your hand or inside of a jacket pocket. It's also designed specifically with the goal of taking awesome pictures of you and your friends when you don't have a budding photographer readily available to snap your photos. Featuring a built-in 12-megapixel camera that can also record full HD video, AIRPIX packs in a lot more quality than you'd expect from something so small. It's fully autonomous and can even be placed into tracking mode for some amazing cinematic shots. Anyone who prefers a little more control over their pictures will also be delighted with AIRPIX, as it's possible to adjust the framing and more using the free smartphone app. Number 6. BLUEYE Pro. When you think of drones, you probably think about them soaring high above you in the sky. But up next is a drone that can go where your average quadrotor absolutely can't. The BLUEYE Pro is a mini submersible drone designed for underwater inspection and exploration. Diving down to depths of up to 1,000 feet, the BLUEYE Pro takes you where you might not want to go yourself. It's small and easily maneuverable, making it ideal for inspecting the hull of your boat, underwater structures, and even wrecks that could be dangerous for human divers. A specially designed tilting camera allows you to see whatever the BLUEYE Pro sees, and there's even built-in LED lights for illumination in the murkiest of waters. Most underwater vehicles aren't really capable of breaking speed records, but that doesn't stop the BLUEYE Pro from achieving a very respectable top speed of around 3.5 miles per hour. Full control is available on your phone or tablet using the free-to-download app, and provides a live video feed of everything the BLUEYE Pro is face-to-face with down in the depths. Number 5. VOLODRONE. The average drone isn't much for heavy lifting. But then again, our next entry isn't much of an average drone. Allow us to introduce you to the VOLODRONE. Most small aerial vehicles are able to do their thing by keeping weight limits as low as they possibly can. But the VOLODRONE has been designed with transporting cargo in mind and can carry payloads of up to 440 pounds at a time. Eco-warriors who hate that the transportation industry has traditionally relied on gas-guzzling motor vehicles for years now will be thrilled to discover that the VOLODRONE is completely electric and therefore can easily be powered by renewable energy sources. You'd think that with all that weight and relying on electric motors, the VOLODRONE might be quite limited in range. But this impressive cargo drone can carry its payload up to 25 miles on a single charge. It's not just useful for carrying goods around, though. The VOLODRONE can be used to carry critical pieces of agricultural equipment, like crop sprayers, which allow farmers to achieve levels of productivity not possible with traditional farming vehicles. Number 4. Passport Self-Flying Drone. If you've ever wanted to start a travel vlog, or just thought it'd be fun to share vacation videos with your family members, you've probably considered getting a drone to film you. The problem is, most of them are kind of difficult to fly, and require you to actively pay attention to what they're doing. The Passport Self-Flying Drone shakes all of this up and does everything for you, allowing you to get on with living your best life and creating some seriously shareable memories. Designed with pure portability in mind, the Passport Self-Flying Drone folds down to almost nothing so that it can fit into a travel bag or a large coat pocket. The specially designed housing completely shields the normally fragile rotor blades and allows you to be a little less careful than you would normally be. The Passport Self-Flying Drone features full 4K video recording and will autonomously follow you around to get the perfect shot without any need for input on your part. Number 3. POWERUP 3.0. We saw a drone based on a paper airplane earlier, but what about a drone that actually is a paper plane? This is POWERUP 3.0. This innovative little drone comes supplied with some assembly required. You'll need to construct your own paper plane to attach to it. The POWERUP 3.0 pairs up to your smartphone using Bluetooth and allows you to control its flight path using the free app. A built-in camera gives you a full first-person perspective of your flight, making this one of the most unique FPV drones on the market. While it may be small, the battery life isn't bad for the size at all, and you can expect to get around 10 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 2. VOLOCOPTER. Another large format drone capable of carrying passengers, the VOLOCOPTER is a world leader in the urban air taxi marketplace. While there are many new small aerial vehicles entering the marketplace at the moment, they don't all have the countless hours of research behind them that the VOLOCOPTER does. It's the result of 9 years of hard work from the German-based company. Debuting in Dubai, the VOLOCOPTER is aiming to be the world's first sustainable solution to short-distance urban air travel, a solution to the ever-growing problem of congestion in major cities. 18 fully electric rotors provide plenty of get up and go to propel the volocopter through the sky, but thanks to some clever German engineering, remain incredibly quiet at the same time. Number 1. POWERDOLPHIN. Drone flying might be one of the most popular new hobbies, but fishing has been a staple of long weekends on the boat and family fun for decades. POWERDOLPHIN is a wildly innovative new drone that aims to marry the high-tech with the traditional and add a little modern gadgetry to your next fishing trip. POWERDOLPHIN uses built-in sonar technology to navigate the seas and can be used for search and rescue functions as well as fishing. It features a built-in bait deployment system to attract fish and can even be used to cast a line itself. When you catch a bite, it's as simple as navigating the POWERDOLPHIN drone back to your boat with your perfect catch in tow. Battery life is pretty great compared to the flying drones we're used to, and you can expect to get up to 2.5 hours of sailing time out of a single charge. If all that wasn't enough, POWERDOLPHIN is equipped with a super high-resolution 4K camera, which captures astonishingly high-quality photographs and video footage. And that's 10 crazy drones you must see. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.